Hi there, amazing viewers. I am Digit Fox and I'm thrilled to have you back on our channel. Today's spotlight is on a topic that combines the intriguing world of finance with the power of Python programming. We are delving into the realm of investment funds and, more precisely, exploring the calculation of quarterly trailer fees. In this video, we have structured our content into two parts to make it easy for you to grasp. First up, a quick but insightful introduction to investment funds trailer fees, some EU regulations. We'll cover the basics, helping you get the significance of trailer fees background in the financial landscape and, for example, in a hypothetical middle office role, which could take place within an asset manager, a bank, a family office, or a financial boutique. Now, on to the second part, where the real magic happens. We'll be demonstrating a Python code specifically crafted for calculating these quarterly trailer fees. Get ready for a breakdown, explanation, and a closer look at how Python can simplify financial calculations. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your fellow enthusiasts, and of course, if you like, subscribe to our channel. Your support goes a long way in helping our community grow and reach a wider audience. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of investment funds trailer fees and Python magic. Let the learning begin. Investment funds trailer fees definition. Trailer fees are ongoing commissions paid by investment fund managers to financial intermediaries, such as financial advisors or brokers, for the distribution and ongoing maintenance of fund investments. These fees are typically a percentage of the assets under management and are intended to compensate intermediaries for the ongoing services they provide to investors. They are called trailer fees because they are often a percentage of the total assets under management and paid periodically, like trailing behind the investment. These fees have been a topic of debate and regulatory scrutiny in recent years, as they raise important questions about investors' transparency, conflicts of interest, and the overall cost structure of investment funds. In Europe, the European Union has taken significant steps to address the legal aspects surrounding trailer fees and enhance investor protection. Understanding the legal aspects of trailer fees in Europe is crucial for investors and financial professionals alike. It empowers investors to make informed decisions, encourages fair competition among financial advisors, and ultimately contributes to a more transparent and trustworthy investment landscape. In the European Union, the legal landscape regarding trailer fees in investment funds has undergone significant changes in recent years. The aim has been to strengthen investor protection, increase transparency, and address potential conflicts of interest. Here are just a few key points regarding the legal aspects of trailer fees in Europe. MiFID II Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Introduce more transparency in the disclosure of fees and charges to investors. Financial intermediaries are required to provide clients with detailed information about the costs associated with investment products, including any trailer fees. PRIIPs, Package, Retail and Insurance-Based Investment Products Regulations. PRIIPs might impact the way fees, including trailer fees, are disclosed to investors. UCITS undertakings for collective investment in transferable securities directive. The UCITS funds are subject to specific rules regarding the disclosure of fees and charges to investors. These include trailer fees, which must be disclosed in the fund's prospectus. The trailer fees payment process. The process of paying trailer fees to fund holders involves the fund management company making periodic payments to the financial intermediaries based on the assets under management. These fees are usually a percentage of the fund's net asset value and are intended to compensate intermediaries for their ongoing services and support to investors. It is important for investors to be aware of these fees and for financial intermediaries to comply with relevant regulations and disclosing and managing such fees transparently. As regulations can change and new developments might have occurred, it is always advisable to consult with legal or financial professionals and refer to the latest regulatory documents for the most accurate and current information. The middle office trailer fees calculation process involves, for example, configuring billing groups and initiating quarterly invoicing with vigilant oversight, collaborating with asset management companies. The middle office reconciles retrocessions calculations, resolves invoicing challenges, and manages commissions on various funds. In an orchestrated EMTN process, the middle office procedure collect issue programs, calculate commissions, trailer fees, and ensure recovery. Vigilant oversight ensures adherence to a strict escalation process during invoicing, which in insightful reporting includes monthly monitoring of pending invoicing and weekly tracking of collections. Mastery is showcased in analyzing MIFID amounts, contributing to a harmonious financial landscape for fund holders and investors.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring a Python script that calculates monthly and quarterly trailer fees for a hypothetical investment fund. This script considers factors such as fund units, net asset value, NAV, and portfolio commissions to determine these fees. Let's dive into the code and break it down step by step. Step 1. Initialization of variables. At the beginning of the script, we initialize two important variables. First, we set portfolio_commission to represent the portfolio commission, assumed to be in basis points. Here, it's 75 basis points. Secondly, we set year to 12, representing the number of months in a year. Step 2. User input. The script then prompts the user to input fund units and monthly net asset value, NAV, for 3 consecutive months. This information is crucial for calculating the trailer fees. Step 3. Lists to store input data. To conveniently handle the input data, two lists, fund_units and NAV, are extended with the user provided values for fund units and NAV for each month. Step 4. Calculation of trailer fees. Now comes the calculation of trailer fees for each month. The script uses a simple formula, fund_units multiplied to NAV, and to portfolio_commission, divided the year. This formula considers the number of fund units, the monthly NAV, and the portfolio commission to calculate the monthly trailer fees. Step 5. Total trailer fees calculation. To get the total trailer fees for the quarter, the script sums up the individual monthly trailer fees calculated in the previous step. Step 6. Print results. Imagine you are an investor, and you begin by entering the fund units for month 1, followed by the monthly net asset value, NAV, which could be denominated in any currency like EUR, USD, or others. The process is repeated for month 2 and month 3, creating a matrix of data. Now, the magic happens with our Python code. Using a sophisticated matrix formula, it computes the total commission or trailer fees that a potential fund holder is entitled to receive on a quarterly basis. This automation not only streamlines the process but also ensures accuracy and conclusion, and there you have it. This Python script helps us understand how trailer fees for investment funds can be calculated based on user input. It's a great example of using programming to automate financial calculations. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to let us know. Thanks for watching DigitFox Network channel. We appreciate our viewers and love our followers. To help grow the YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe. Hasta pronto amigos.